Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 21. We have some amazing progress today. I am so excited to walk you around our space. Here in the kitchen we have our tile guys with Carlson Tile here installing our Backsplash tile. We are so excited to see this tile go in. We're trying to do a random pattern out of the 9 faces of this tile and to see how it works to get it all together. But it's so exciting to see all the progress on this space. We also have our electrician here, Rafael, with Dragonfly. He's helping install decorative light fixtures. There's one of our pendants going in over the island. These guys are on the outside installing light fixtures over doors also. Oh, so exciting. Here in the hall bathroom, we have our decorative light fixtures up. They look so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're gonna be so nice in this space. Now we are painting this space, so remember, it's gonna get a fresh face with a little bit of a different paint color. But look at this tile. Oh, that looks so good. And our polished nickel fixtures on this material, oh, looks so pretty. Look at the shine on these. Oh my goodness sakes. The nice little clipped corners on that square. Oh, just so pretty. Here in our ensuite bathroom, we have decorative light fixtures up again. Cabinets are in, countertops are in. Look at what happened since we were here last. We've got this space grouted and the floor tile and the shower floor. Oh, they look so nice. I am in love with this tile. I like the texture of it, the clean lines of it, modern and textural. Oh, it's just so amazing. Tile guys did an awesome job at cutting these trim pieces to the same grout line as the wall tile. Here's our other side with the sink and that beautiful faucet. I love the line of this faucet. It's feminine yet square, so it gives you a little hint of masculine and modern. Oh, it just looks so good. And then the detail with the clipped corners. She looks so pretty even from above. Oh my word, friends, it's gorgeous, gorgeous in this space. Here we are in the master. These countertops look so nice. We don't have plumbing fixtures installed yet, as we have our handy dandy gym with CLW Plumbing over here working on toilets today, as well as all the pretty stuff also. He doesn't just have to do toilets, but these countertops look so nice. And that shower, the decorative fixtures have started in there too. You can see them on our main wall there. That valve and trim with a diverter. Oh, it's gonna look so good in there, friends, when it's done. The closets have come a long way. I'm gonna show you her closet. Looks so nice in here. So much functional storage with a drawer stack, open shelves, lots of hanging on this side, hanging on that side, and more shelves. Oh, it's gonna be so nice. Here we are in the master bedroom. Aaron, our fantastic project manager, is up there doing some touch-up paint for us. Hi, Aaron. He's doing such a good job. We had some areas that were just a little subpar that we wanted to touch up. So we got Aaron and utilizing his skill set to our utmost advantage to get this looking just fantastic over here. But we've got those new windows in. Really does change the landscape of this room, having these 2 windows on either side of the sliding glass door. You can see we've got some touch-up paint again. There's another electrician outside doing his finest to put in a light fixture there. We've got that tankless water heater installed in our HVAC closet. So we relocated this sconce light at the end of the hallway so that it was more centered on its wall that it's on, but it now lights the space better also. But look at how pretty this looks. So this light fixture to me actually looks better with this wall paint color than what was there before. A little bit darker, deeper, oranger tone to it before. Just cast a different color of light when it reflected off of it. And now it looks so fantastic. One of the ones that I really like is here in this hallway. Look, isn't that one just gorgeous? gorgeous, gorgeous. So we've got Shannon, our fabulous homeowners here. She's taking a walkabout, looking at all the work these guys are doing today. It's so good. But I have to show you the chandelier in the dining room. We don't have the one in the kitchen area yet, but look at this one too. It looks so nice in here. Oh, those are our refrigerator units waiting to be installed, but this is so gorgeous. So all these spaces look so good. For Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, we so appreciate you being on this journey with us. We couldn't do it without you. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you got.